This morsel will correlate to section 4.1 of the OpenHPC guide. We'll be starting the video at this point here and we'll be ending it over here with the installation of Velgrind. In the previous sections we followed the steps necessary to install a master host or SMS host, to assemble and customize the compute images and provision those compute hosts from bare metal. Now that we have a configured SMS host and we've assembled and customized the compute images and we've verified that our compute nodes in the virtual cluster are operational, we can focus on adding additional OpenHPC provided packages to support the HPC environment that we want to implement. We'll be including things like development tools, MPI stacks, and additional third-party libraries. OpenHPC has made this easy. We will install all the meta packages from the OpenHPC repository. In a typical HPC environment, we want to provide users with the tools that they need and the flexibility they want to be able to compile their own packages. We'll start by installing Auto Tools. This is the GNU Auto Tools collection. We'll install EasyBuild, which is effectively a software build and installation framework for HPC systems to manage scientific software. And we'll go with the Portable Hardware Locality software package. This is essentially a tool for helping applications to gather information to help exploit the hardware resources that are available in a computing system. For instance, placing two tasks that are cooperating on the same cause so they can share a cache, that sort of thing. One of my favorite applications at the moment is SPAC, and we'll install that. SPAC is essentially a package manager for supercomputers developed at Lawrence Livermore National Lab. For anyone unfamiliar or uncomfortable with compiling their own programs, this is a great starting point. SPAC allows you to compile packages through a command line interface very similar to Yum. It ensures consistency and compatibility across installations and platforms because every package that's compiled has a unique hash, and those hashes guarantee consistency across platforms using the same parameters when you do the compile. Finally, we'll cap off this morsel by installing Velgrind. Some of you with programming experience might be familiar with Velgrind from that environment. Velgrind is a tool that can detect memory management and threading bugs, and it can also be used to build new tools.